Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you how you can use the concatenate formula in order to join text. And in this case, we're going to use first names, last names, and we want them to be in a single column. So let's show you 3 ways that you can do this. So first, let's go to the cell that we want our joined text to be. Equals concatenate is what we're going to select from there. It's looking for information, so what do we want to join? In this case, we want to join first name, comma, last name. Enter, and you'll see it puts it together, but it doesn't leave a space in between the name. Now we can definitely do that, but let's look at another example. Just below this, let's go to the chipmunk name. So we are going to grab that same formula. We're going to do the concatenate once again. And from there, we're going to select our last name. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a comma, quote, comma, and select the first name and enter. And you'll see it puts that last name, comma, with chip. Now, if we want to add a space, whether it's either here or like in the example that we're going to do down below. This time we're going to do the same thing. Equal, concatenate, select. We're going to select our first name, comma, quote, space bar, quote, comma, last name, enter. And then from there, you'll see it puts it in the first name, space, last name. And you can also do the autofill, or what you can do is grab and then from there drag down, and it will automatically associate that formula with the additional cells. So with that, that is how you can use concatenate in 3 different ways in your sheets.